Not many people know this. Add a soap to the blender for this unexpected result. First, make sure your blender is unplugged. Now, fill the blender halfway with warm water. The warm water will help dissolve the soap better. Take a bar of soap and grate it. Let me know which city you're watching this video from, and I'll give you a shout out in my next upload. Today's shout out goes to DC from Wisconsin. Thank you for watching every single video we post. Add a generous amount of the grated soap to the water in the blender. This soap is especially useful because it helps break down dried and hard residues that stick. Once you have the soap in the water, securely close the lid of the blender. Turn on the blender and set it to high speed for about 30 seconds. The combination of warm water and soap, along with the blending action, will loosen and clean those tough residues. After blending, carefully remove the lid and pour out the soapy water. Now it's time to thoroughly rinse the blender with clean water to remove any leftover soap residue. If there are still stubborn spots on the lid or base, you can manually scrub them with a sponge or brush using some of the soapy water you have left. This method ensures your blender is perfectly clean, even from the most persistent food particles, and all with minimal effort.